Here's how to use MyTunes Music Generator AI. So, MyTunes can be accessible on Chrome, Google, or Safari. Once you have already choose a website and click on its page, you can now go ahead and use it. As you can see, you can go ahead and add your lyrics right there. Let's say, for example, we want to create a lyrics about I will love you. And then you can just go ahead and click on a try a sample or also click on try a sample on the style options. Afterwards, you can now go ahead and click on the create options that you can see below the style. And then there you have it. You have now your own version of lyrics as well as the style of your song. Now, if you want to hear it, just go ahead and click on the play button and then wait for a few seconds. And then after a few seconds, you will now hear the music that has been created with the MyTunes AI. And that is how you actually go ahead and have your own music using the MyTunes.